Ready to go outside? Let's go outside. Uh-oh, here comes Tyson. Slowly, okay? Slowly. Uh-oh. Don't do that, honey. Come on, go slowly down the stairs. Okay, go pee-pee slowly. Good job. Go, Angel. Yay! Yay! Yay, baby! Pee-pee, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Mama can't go. Mama can't go. Rocky, this way, honey. Tyson, yay! No, let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Where are you going? Rocky, come on, honey. Come on, Rocky. Yay, there he comes. Yay, Rocky. Ready? Let's go. Come on, let's go. Where's your ball? Honey. Yay! Rocky, honey. Where's your ball, Rocky? Did you go poopy? Where are you gonna go poopy, honey? Good boy. Go poopy, Tyson. Follow Rocky. There's Rocky going poopy. Good boy, Rocky. That's it. Good job. Yay! Yay, Rocky! Come on, Tyson. You go poopy too. Good boy. There you go. That's it. Go poopy. Good boy, honey. Go poopy. Good job, honey. Yay! Here comes my angel. Did you go poopy? Where's Rocky? Rocky, what you doing, Rocky? Rocky. 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 Come on, Rocky, let's go. Tyson, what you doing?